Hi guys, this is a video on the enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay or ELISA. To carry out an ELISA, you'll need specific equipment such as microtiter plate, adjustable micropipette, tips, tissue roll, and other reagents provided by the lab technicians. The plates provided by the lab technicians will already be coated with the specific antigen, incubated overnight, washed, blocked with blocking buffer, and then washed again. Add 200 microliters of the serum provided to all wells in column 1. This allows specific antibodies from the serum to bind to the antigen. The next step is to add 100 microliters of PBS to all wells in columns 2 to 6. Transfer 100 microliters from wells in column 1 into corresponding wells in column 2, moving horizontally until wells from column 5 have been transferred into column 6. You then remove 100 microliters from column 6 and discard. The microtiter plate is then left at room temperature for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes is done, wash the plate 3 times as demonstrated in the video with washing buffer. Fill all wells with washing buffer, making sure there's no bubbles present. When all wells are filled, invert the plate, tipping over washing buffer. Take the plate and gently dry by tapping against a tissue. After washing the plate, for an indirect ELISA, you will be required to add the secondary enzyme-linked antibody. After the secondary antibody has been added, you repeat the steps of leaving the plate for 30 minutes at room temperature and washing with washing buffer 3 times. The next step is to add 100 microliters of TMB substrate to all wells. This will allow for color development. Next, seal the plate with a sealer. Leave the microtiter plate protected from light until color develops. This can be done by covering with blue tissue paper and being placed in a cupboard. The plate is left in the cupboard for between 20 to 40 minutes until color is developed. Observe under white background for color formation on your microtiter plate as shown in the video. Once color has formed, to stop the reaction, you add 50 microliters of 1 mole hydrochloric acid to all wells. After this, measure absorbance at 450 nanometers in a plate reader.